questions of access to capital for the entrepreneurs, especially those that have been underrepresented, and also for the investors, those who don't have access to great deal.
I'm a big believer it'll take off. I wish I invested in some of the crowdfunding platforms.
There's a lot of revenue behind a company before, if it's a pure consumer company. And so I look at things like these crowdfunding platforms, and I think what we'll be able to do is refer companies like that, see them get traction, where there are a lot of consumers validating. So A, they get money, B, they get consumer validation, and it's that consumer validation that the rest of the investment community wants to see before they jump in.
This kind of group here, which is now the Old Girls Network.
We formed an unofficial alliance of 10 angel groups to share data, to share deal flow, and the theory behind that was, I'll use medical devices as an example. In our memberships, we might have 1 or 2 members that really understand medical devices, but if we share the deal flow between the 10 groups, and your group is one of them, then we might have 20 experts in that field.
But a lot of the angel groups that I've seen, you guys might speak to this, typically don't meet on a weekly basis. So besides the geographic location, everything has to be within 50 miles of our headquarters. It just allows the members to have more of an impact, more of a one-on-one kind of consulting relationship with their company. So,
you know, the kinds of connections and trying to almost bridge the gap a little towards what the VCs do, where you know you get the depth of the Rolodex, or the depth of the connections, or the support. And as an individual investor, there are a number of companies that I've participated with as a mentor, as an advisor.
Our information about our investors, saying we know what kinds of things really resonate with some of our investors, and you know we try to basically help them with some of the stuff, and we basically do that really, you know, no really extra charge or whatever it is. It's just ex gratis. We